Every living room has a heartbeat. For some, it's the couch. For others, the light that spills through the windows at dusk. But often, it is that low, steady piece of furniture facing the room, the TV table. It doesn't shout for attention, yet everything orients around it. The screens, the stories, the laughter that fills the space. And when the table is crafted from wood and metal, it carries a quiet intelligence, a design that balances emotion with engineering. The wood, organic, imperfect, alive, brings soul, it absorbs warmth, reflects light softly, and tells a story of nature and time. The metal, cool, precise, enduring, provides structure, proportion, and calm. Together, they create a visual rhythm, warmth above, stability below. You feel it even before you notice it. A wooden TV table with a metal base doesn't dominate a room. It defines its center of gravity. It is the still point in a space filled with movement and sound. Look closer and you will see how the contrast works. The grain of the timber catches the light differently throughout the day. Golden in morning sun, deep and rich by the evening. The metal frame, usually darker, stays constant, an anchor that lets the wood breathe. It is a dialogue between permanence and change. Every home interprets this relationship differently. In a minimalist space, it reads as artful restraint, clean lines, and clear geometry. In a rustic or eclectic room, it softens the technology around it, reminding you that warmth belongs beside the screen. That is the beauty of the combination. It adapts, it harmonizes, it listens. You might think of it as a meeting of two worlds. Wood, the story of the forest. Metal, the story of the forge. Together, the story of modern living, where nature and craft meet technology and design. There is a philosophy here. The frame matters as much as the view. We focus so much on what is displayed on the screen that we forget the stage beneath it. It shapes the experience. When that stage is honest, solid, and balanced, the room feels composed. The metal base does something subtle. It raises the wooden body just off the floor, introducing air, light, and proportion. That small lift gives the entire structure elegance, a sense of floating despite its weight. It is strength that knows when to disappear. And then there is texture. Run your hand across the top. The slight grain of oak, teak, or walnut. The contrast against the coolness of steel or iron. That touch of material truth grounds the digital. In an age of plastic and glass, it is a reminder that reality still feels better than perfection. Notice how the materials age. Over the years, the wood darkens, the metal softens with a patina. They evolve differently but gracefully, each recording the small history of your home. The remotes placed, the cups forgotten, The evening spent in front of the screen. A wooden TV table with a metal base doesn't try to hide its construction. It celebrates it. Bolts, joints, welds, all visible, all honest. It is design stripped of pretension, where craftsmanship becomes part of the aesthetic. And this honesty influences the atmosphere of the room. The space feels calmer, more grounded, because good design doesn't distract, it steadies. You start to notice how everything around it changes in response. The way light bounces off the screen, how shadows fall beneath the frame, how even silence seems to sit comfortably in the room. The table becomes more than a platform, it becomes context. When you watch a film or listen to music, it is there in the periphery, shaping the mood without intruding. It is the perfect metaphor for balance, to support without taking over. That is what this fusion of wood and metal represents. Collaboration. Organic meets engineered. Warm meets strong. The same balance we search for in our homes and perhaps in ourselves. And maybe that's why these tables feel so timeless. They don't follow trends. They express fundamentals, proportion, weight, texture, truth. So, until next time, happy decorating.